Alvarez survives a 4th round storm by Kovalev and becomes the new WBO light heavyweight champion with a 3 knockdown stoppage of Kovalev in the 7th round. Right here on the Double RT Boxing Show. Hashtag Dragon on Net. Let's get into it.
3, 2, 1.
You can hate him for not making that fight happen, but this is an unbiased show. We talk boxing. If it is just some missed details, the Double RT Boxing Show, Mr. A is here to help you, because that's what we do. We talk that boxing, spit that fire on the internet, dragging on the net, hashtag dragging on the net. You know, follow me on at Twitter at RRTB Show. Double RT, the Double RT, the Double RT Boxing Show with Mr. A. Alvarez knocks down Kovalev 3 times. Where did we hear about this upset? Oh, right here on the Double RT Boxing Show. Probably the only one in the whole boxing media YouTube coverage to pick the upset. Your boy Mr. A, right here on the Ready Talk Boxing Show. Oh man, oh man, oh man. Look at those. His head is dispensed with bobbled head up. What a fight. I had this fight even going into this knockout round, going into the 7th round. I had it first 3 rounds dominated by Alvarez's speed and time with the jab. Kovalev came on with his power shots the next 3 rounds. So going into the 7th round, I had it 57-57. Oh man, I know no one picked Alvarez to win this shot. I don't see too many people cover this fight on YouTube, but your boy, who's, oh man, the host of one of your favorite shows, Mr. A. That's why you tune in. You tune in for breakdown and predictions like this. Who picked this upset? Your host, Mr. A. Knocked him down 3 times. 3 times. Overhand right hand. Kovalev never recovered. You know, he was able to be first on Kovalev whenever he decided to be first. It is the rounds 3 to 6. That power kind of took him out of his game plan. Because the first 3 rounds, he was able to be just control Kovalev. It's a very competitive fight. For the first 3 rounds, Alvarez was just timing him with the jab, timing him. Would not let Kovalev get that crusher mentality. I don't know how Letterman had Kovalev winning this fight by like 5 rounds to 1. I had the same fight as Max Kellerman. Max Kellerman said 3 rounds to 2, you know. And Letterman said like, oh, Kovalev's being aggressive. He's walking forward. He was walking forward into punches. So, like I said, first 6 rounds, 3. First 3 was Alvarez. Second 3 was Kovalev. Oh, and here is the post interview. Let's see what happens. Right here on Double RT Boxing, the Ready Talk Boxing Show. 3 knockdowns. What are you feeling right now? 24-0, 12 KOs. That goes to show you boxing ain't about power. Speed and precise punching. That's why I always like boxers. Thank my managers, thank my team. You know, a lot of people go and they judge power to win fights. I don't go with power. Sometimes I get the picks wrong, but in this fight, I didn't go with Kovalez's power. I went with the boxer Alvarez. I thought he was a good enough boxer to do the upset, do an inside game and outside game enough to discourage Kovalev, and it happened. It happened. Start outboxing Kovalev in the beginning and early. Yes, in the 4th round, Kovalev changed the volume of the fight. Just start throwing punches, just throwing hooks, and it changed the fight. What were you thinking when he started throwing all those different punches? Right here, Double RT Boxing Show. Thank you for tuning in.
I wanted to show him that I am strong.
I wanted to show him. I don't know if you can hear it as well, so I might get flagged for it, but hey, I'm a small channel. Maybe they won't notice.
Because after unloading those big towers,
But if you guys continue to subscribe and show the support that you are doing, get your show to be a larger show. On Twitter at the RRTB show. Hashtag Dragon on the Net because your show is hot, spitting that fire.
You know, we slowed him a bit, and I felt that his punches weren't as hard as at the beginning of the fight. As part of the tactics was to be able to work him on the inside. But it's one thing.
There it is. They slowed him down. He said his punches weren't getting as hard as the fight, and that's only around 6 and 7.
This was essentially a one-punch knockout. A right hand that basically ended the fight.
A beautiful right hand. Left, overhand right, connected on Kovalev. Kovalev did one of those stumbles, fell sideways, got up. His legs were on jello. And then he just, boom, got him again. He got up. Referee, it was like 20 seconds. Referee was like, hey, you want to fight? You want to fight? Kovalev spun around. He tried to kill as much time. Spun around, walked away. You want to fight? You want to fight? Yeah. Came in. Got him a nice uppercut and hook. Fell to his knees. 3 knockdowns. Kovalev knocked down 3 times, baby.
You fought a lot of good fighters as a pro, and I haven't seen.
And Alvarez says he only has the power to hit with 2 knuckles, and he can't hit with all 4 knuckles because of a hand injury. Upset City, but not right here on the WRT Boxing, who we picked to win this fight.
I always practice that punch, as I said in training, and it felt like it was something that we could do.
Oh shit! Oh shit! And I did a survey on this. Who's gonna lose first? Who's gonna lose first?
What do you think?
And everyone picked on that survey on the Twitter. You can follow me on Twitter, RRTB show. I asked who was gonna lose first: Bivol, Kovalev, Bidabov, or Vazdik. Everyone on the survey picked Kovalev, and sure enough, it came true. He lost tonight. He waited 5 years for this shot, and who'd have thought he had knocked down Kovalev 3 times? But there you have it. Oh, here it is. Feints the left jab. Oh man, when Kovalev gets hit on that chin, his legs go. He almost gets the Americana legs. Oh man, and then the second one, a left hook, brung his head up, right cross, and then he got up again, a right cross, and a left hook uppercut down to his knees, praying to the boxing canvas. Fight over. This is the WRT Boxing Show. We have a new WBO light heavyweight champion, Eleider Alvarez. Who predicted it? No other than your host, Mr. A, on the WRT Boxing Show. Thank you for your time and support. Appreciate it. For you new viewers, please subscribe. You get hot shit like this, good predictions right here on the WRT Boxing Show. Go check out the breakdown and prediction. You'll see we predicted this one.
Amid the disappointment